And today I'm gonna introduce you our Reiki level 3 and 4 Master Teacher course at Arati Healing Center, Got Phangan. For level 3 is every week on Friday and Saturday from 9:30 in the morning to 1:30 in the afternoon. For level 4 is every week by arrangement. The course covers Reiki level 3 Master and Reiki level 4 Teacher. Gacho meditation. Repeat the basics from level 1 and 2. Introduction into 5 master symbols. Learn how and when to use the symbols. Through Reiki mental treatment, learn how to reprogram your subconscious mind without the use of external help. Release trauma from previous lifetimes. Learn how to read in the field of consciousness. Heart-to-heart meditation. Learn the basic application from EFT. Gacho meditation. Repeat the basics from all levels before. If you have not learned all master symbols which we teach, we will explain them again. Get the explanation and initiation into the teacher symbol, which we always use after the initiation. Learn how to teach others. Practice initiations. You will receive initiation into the master degree to the teacher symbol and get certificates of completion in the end of the courses. To book or for more information, please visit our website www.aratihealing.com. Send us a message on WhatsApp +66 925 810 825 or email klaus@aratihealing.com.